On the sixth day of the hearing of the presidential reference, the Supreme Court orally observed that certain instances of delay in granting assent to bills cannot justify the laying down of a blanket timeline for the governors and the president to act as per the Articles 200 and 201 of the Constitution. If there are individual cases of delay, the aggrieved parties can approach the court to seek relief, and the court may direct that the decision should be taken within a time limit. However, it cannot mean that the court should lay down a general timeline for the actions of the governor and the president. The court verbally said this. The court pointed out that the Constitution has specifically provided for flexibility by saying that the bills be returned as soon as possible without specifying any time limits. A five-judge bench comprising Chief Justice of India B.R. Gavai, Justice Suryakant, Justice Vikram Nath, Justice P.S. Narasimha and Justice A.S. Chandurkar was hearing the arguments of senior advocate Dr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi, representing the state of Tamil Nadu, who supported the timeline of 3 months fixed by a two-judge bench in the Tamil Nadu governor case. Singhvi submitted that the timelines were necessary in the view of the repeated instances of governors withholding bills indefinitely. The matter is listed again tomorrow for hearing. Stay tuned.